questions first, then move to Cantonese and Chinese. I'll raise the first question and give the floor back. So, Common, tough luck today, but overall still very good week for you here at the home tournament. Are you satisfied about this week's performance?
I mean, it's my first ATP quarterfinals, and it's my second win in the 250 as well, and and then slowly, and then quarters now. It's been a tough match today. Lorenzo have all the answers against my tactics today. So credits to him. He's a really great player. He's number 7 in the world. But hey, I mean, I'm playing against him in the quarters of ATP at home. Nothing to be scared of next time. I'll come back stronger, and I think I can get even closer, or even get the win next time. I think I'm there. Thanks to all the tournaments I played for the last 2-3 years in the pro circuit, because I've been playing against Ben, Rublev in the biggest stage of the in the tennis world. I played him in the Grand Slam here. It's a 250, so I mean, I have the experience to play against these players, but obviously compared to them, they have much more because they have been there for a while. So I think I learned a lot after today, and just gonna keep going. I'm in the right direction, and I think I'm just gonna get closer and closer. First of all, my body is it's okay. Obviously a little tired, but it's normal. I played a lot of matches after a long preseason, so I'm quite happy with my performance today. Just a little unlucky in the second set. He did some unbelievable defense, and I think that's a lot of things I can learn, and also I think the gap in between is also, I think it's the experience of playing all these tournaments, all these matches. Obviously Lorenzo plays a lot of maybe someone like me, home court, a bit lower ranked than him, and obviously because he's 7 in the world, there's not many people in front of him, so obviously he needs to play many players below him, so he's so used to it, and I think that's how I need to learn from these players, how they are so calm, how are they so how do they react, how do they get to in the critical moments, how they tackle all these problems. And I think that's why he is 7 in the world, and that's why they're so good, because they know how to solve all these problems. Obviously I didn't think too much, and now obviously I'm going to Australia now. AO coming up, another Grand Slam. I'm so pumped, and I think I'm ready after these few matches against top players like them, and getting the wins, and give me a lot of confidence going into Australian Open. Let's see what happens. I think I can keep pushing, and I think even though best of 5, best of 3, I think I can be there, and I'm there to stay. 唔同嘅位係佢又進步咗啦，咁我都進步咗啦，咁大家都其實去到即係今日都係1-2分，即係爭少少。其實佢哋就係勁喺呢個方面咯，即係呢度佢識得點樣去處理，我覺得佢哋比較即係冷靜，識得點樣去應對，因為佢哋經驗好多啦，啲經驗好豐富啦。對於比起我嘅話，因為佢打好多即係呢類嘅比賽，呢一類嘅係咯，呢一隊嘅match up，所以佢係咯，我覺得佢係咯，佢好冷靜咯，所以我要學佢點樣去下一次點樣再去同一個情況 底下我要點樣去應對咯。其實我覺得呢個係好好開始啦。咁一上到而家就去到2026第一個比賽已經係入咗我即係第一個巡迴賽嘅250分嘅8強啦。咁係一個好好嘅開始啦。咁我覺得我同我嘅團隊真係一個好好嘅方向係好正確啦。咁亦都有少少嘅變動啦，令到我更加之提升我嘅喺球場裏邊嘅即係水平咯。咁令到我同佢哋呢一隊嘅球手更加之接近啦。咁呢一樣嘢都係我一路好希望可以做到啦。咁所以其實都冇話特登要點樣去即係話要去到邊個位去到邊個位。其實去到尾最緊要就係個水平去到嗰個去到最 top 咧，其實所有排名啊，所有嘅嘢都會自然會嚟咯。所以我覺得冇話特登要呢個時候要做到啲乜，最緊要係知道自己一路係進步緊，每一日係一路 keep 住做一個即係 professional 嘅網球員，去做好所有嘢，去一路 keep 住進步咯。一定好多嘅。咁第一次啊嘛，第一次入8強，咁下一次再打250又會係一個唔同嘅感覺啦。咁而家再一路下一個就係大滿貫啦。咁又係一個更加之大型嘅比賽。咁希望喺澳洲嘅香港人會嚟即係支持我啦。咁都知道喺嗰邊都有唔少嘅香港人喺嗰度住。咁睇下到時希望我哋又可以就係一齊去努力，一齊去即係咯。我覺得今日又係我係好似唔係自己一個打咁咯，即係同緊大家一齊去，大家一路打氣，一路一齊去打呢場比賽，所以我係都幾感動，都幾開心，因為就由一個係即係一開始自己即係打波，慢慢一路打到而家呢個地步，其實都係好感恩同埋好開心咯。因為其實因為之前香港其實唔會有一個咁即係咁多即係球迷會可以入到而家8強啊嘛。咁我哋第一個人做到咯。咁都好開心，大家可以同我一齊分享呢一個喜悅啦。咁但係我覺得我都未滿意，我覺得我可以繼續，即係尤其是今日，其實我絕對有機會可以再近啲，或者甚至贏到。咁所以，但係網球就係咁啊。其實我可以第一 round 就輸嘅，但係而家去到8強，我都係咯，繼續努力啦。咁下一次又唔會知道，可能我下一次又會再可以喺大滿貫又可以打到再可能第4圈或者再入啲都冇問題，我都覺得自己係得嘅，因為我自己都一路係表現係一路都 prove 緊俾自己睇，一路 prove 緊俾自己睇，我係其實絕對係同佢哋係差唔多。然後我都辛苦咗咁耐，我都係覺得我要 keep 住努力 ，keep 住去一路都未夠，我覺得即係要繼續拉近同佢哋嘅距離，拉近同頭10嘅距離，拉近到最尾去到最 top 嘅，其實佢哋都係落到場都係一個球員，都係要點樣4比4嘅時候點樣去選擇去臨場發揮，所以我都係冇例外，所以我覺得係咯，大家都係人啫，大家都係可以贏。我覺得最緊要我自己係相信自己係可以去到佢哋嗰個水平。其實講真又唔係話 expect 自己要去到呢個比賽要做到咩成績，有啲咩，其實最緊要係揾到一個啱嘅團隊去幫到我，然後自己又覺得係進步咗，自己一路個狀態都係可以 keep 住喺一個高嘅水平度，一路 keep 住進步呢。其實係一個球員最緊要係有呢樣嘢咯，我覺得。所以冇㗎，最緊要係咯，最緊要我要揾到一個合適嘅團隊，我覺得。所以去到而家，我覺得 暫時都係唔錯嘅，所以我覺得佢哋都幫到我唔少。冇，我想休息一下先，因為其實呢幾日都係一路好扯啦，咁一路都一打完就休息，一打完就 recovery， 所以終於可以唞一唞咯。咁睇下而家可能要睇一睇幾時去澳洲咯。咁到時再，因為下個禮拜又繼續開始啦。咁呢一個係一個好好嘅熱身賽，俾我去下一個澳網啦。咁即係我覺得冇得再好啦，即係其實今日贏到梗係更好啦。咁但係而家完咗啦，咁我覺得我都仲係好 fit 啦。咁都知道自己而家澳洲係可以真係即係唔使話 expect 自己去到邊度，最緊要自己即係落到場，即係搏盡咗睇下自己。如果對面真係打得好好嘅，咁佢值得贏啦。但係我唔會咁容易俾佢哋，即係唔會咁容易認輸咯。即係我要真係 show 俾佢睇，我其實都唔容易對付嘅。